What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with NEATNSLEEK. The wig that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is their Judy box braid wig. Now this wig is waist length. It's handmade with 100% synthetic premium Nicole hair. And as you guys can see, the hairline does come with baby hairs and it does come pre-plucked. Also, this is a full lace wig and it comes with 3 combs, as you can see here, and also a nice elastic band in the hair to make sure it lays super flat on your head. So I've already went ahead and did the ball cap method, and now I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. So I'm just kind of adjusting everything just to see how I want it to sit. And it's looking like it's going to be a nice fit. And of course, I'm going to be using my old trusty products, my Got To Be, to tack it down. I don't know why I decided this time to go ahead and just apply the glue all the way around the wig, but I did. I usually do it in sections, and I would recommend doing it in sections actually. But anyways, I'm drying it up to get it tacky, and then I'm going to go over it with some of the Freeze Blast spray. I can never say this right. Freeze Blast spray. There we go. I'm going to spray some of that on, tap it in real good, apply some more heat, and then start applying the wig. And as y'all can see, this has been super easy to do. Only thing I would have to do next is cut my baby hairs to my length that I want it to be, and I'm done. Listen, this is definitely one of the best type of wigs you could invest in. Let's zoom in, honey. The color job is just so popping. I've been wearing this wig for like 2 weeks now. I've had to reapply it because I use the Got To Be products to apply it, so you know it don't really last for a long time, but I have reapplied it a couple times. But I have been loving this for the past 2 weeks. And you can't tell me that this don't look natural, honey. Get into it, you know what I'm saying? What wig, honey, what wig? And I've actually gotten so many compliments on these box braids. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love them. I love them. I love them. Shout out to NEATNSLEEK for sending me these box braids to share with y'all, because listen, I'm feeling it. I'm loving them. As I said, this is a full lace wig. The knots have been bleached already, all that good stuff. It does come with baby hairs across the front. I didn't get to include that in my application video, but it does come in like a small area that was braided across. Then I just took it loose, cut it to the length that I wanted my baby hairs to be, swooped them up, and we were done. You know what I'm saying? It was real quick and easy to install and style. As anytime I do box braids or use any type of Nicole hair in my hair, I always make sure to soak the hair in apple cider vinegar with like a mix of water, a half and half mix, and let that soak for a little bit, because my skin is a little sensitive to certain synthetic hairs and stuff like that. So I like to soak it in some apple cider vinegar and get everything nice, and it turned out really good. So one thing I definitely love the most about this company is the fact that they make their units look super natural. A lot of times I've seen box braid wigs and just, you know, braided wigs, and you can just tell it's a wig. It's bulky, it's just so much, you can just tell it's fake, you know what I'm saying? But you know, NEATNSLEEK did their thing with their box braids, And the style that I'm rocking right now is the Judy style. It's like an ombre look. And with this company, they have so many different styles you can choose from, and different colors. I would definitely say this style is perfect for somebody that hates, you know, sitting long times to get their hair done. They're tender-headed. You know, you get that feeling like when your braids, you just got them done and they tight. You can't really stretch it all the way because, whoo, they nice and fresh and tight. These are a great alternative. You know, somebody that's just on the go. You ain't got time to be sitting and get your hair braided, or you somebody that likes to switch up your styles a lot. You want braids one week and the next week you over them. Wig it up, you know what I'm saying? Wig it up. The braids that I'm rocking, I think, do come in 2 different lengths. I got the waist length because I like all of my hair long, braids, wig, my hair, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted the long braids, and they definitely are waist length. And I think the color job on these braids are so nice. I've gotten so many compliments on it, and I should be thinking in the back of my head like, it's a wig, sis, but it don't even look like it. But the ombre is just so bomb. It literally goes from black all the way to like blonde, like a blonde. So yeah, as I said, the wig is a full lace wig, so you can pin it up and do different styles with it. Now the back does come, like I said, because full lace, it does have the area where you can tack it down here in the back, but I didn't really tack mine down because I wasn't going to be doing any updo styles. But if you do want to do a bun, you can do it, because you know what I'm saying, like the back can be tacked down. So you can make this look like supernatural, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, you ain't gonna look crazy if you was to put it up in a bun, because the braids look real as hell. I love when I can tell a company has put a lot of time into their product. Just zooming in, let me get a close-up. You can tell how nice this looks. The scalp looks like real scalp, you know what I'm saying? And I just love that the whole process of this was super easy to do. Like I said, I just installed it, chopped up the baby hairs, swooped them, done, boom. The only type of alteration type of thing I had to do was cut like 2 extra braids that were like right here in the front. They were kind of right in front of my ear, and I was like, I don't know if I really like that all the way. So I just snipped them off, and it still looks good. What do y'all think about having a box braid wig? I think this is so innovative. This is fire. Like a box braid wig. And it actually looks good. Like, it looked natural. Definitely make sure y'all check out the description box for all of the links to this wig and the links to the company. I'm gonna have all of that in the description box below for y'all, so be sure to check it out. I mean, like, what more is there to say? The wig speaks for itself, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. Subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. We're trying to get to 100K, so make sure you turn on your post notifications as well. And as always, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces.